Today I will show you how I made Pepsi labels into photo cards. Low cost but a great addition to your card collection. First, let's get our Pepsi Black Pink limited edition bottles. You will need labels of Pepsi Black Pink limited edition PET bottles, cardstock, scissors, glue. Carefully align the cardstock to the back of the label. Leave a small gap on the top area. Glue the label to the cardstock. Spread evenly. Add glue to the other side. Spread evenly. Align the label to the cardstock. Trim the excess. Spread the glue using PVC card or any hard card. PVC cards or laminated ID cards works for me. Close the top cap we left earlier with glue. Don't forget to clean the area. Cut the excess label, aligning to the cardstock size. Shape the corners with corner cutter. And with scissors. And the Pepsi Black Pink limited edition photo card is done. You can place them on card sleeves for added protection. Have fun collecting. I also made from Pepsi Black Pink limited edition PET bottle.